it back on.
Yeah,
All right, so that was Matt's stereo, which it really looks like jet engines up there. All right, give us a walk around of your new rig here, Matt. Wow.
well, where do we start?
Okay, so it's originally an Intimidator 800.
Enforcer.
Intimidator Enforcer?
Intimidator Enforcer.
Enforcer 800.
It came from the factory with the Elka preload adjustable shocks and the 3-inch portal gear lift with a 30% gear reduction from the axle, from the CV shaft to the hub, basically. It came with 32-inch tires and the 15-inch rims.
So are these new tires?
No, these came on from the factory.
They came on it, really?
They only
Wow.
put them on the Enforcer. Those tires, rims, and portal gear lift was on this unit out of the box,
So it's kind of like the high lifter, the Polaris
Yeah.
high lifter.
basically. And
Wow.
then the stuff I did to it, it had the top from the factory too. I put infinite off-road light bar on it, which all the stuff I put on it ran off the remotes, which is kind of nice. So I put the infinite off-road light bar on it.
Nice.
It also has SOS built into it.
Nice.
And then I did the stereo, which has got 8 Kenwood Concept Series 6.5-inch two-way speakers. These cans, I built these out of PVC pipe, schedule 48-inch. And then I rhino lined them. And then I built those pods out of 8-inch schedule 40, and I rhino lined those.
Well, I'm pretty sure I'd never be able to sit in there
Now it probably hit your head.
being at my height. Wow.
So I put the doors on it. I put the Nerf bars on it. I took basically it all apart down to the frame from the seats forward. I painted the dash, painted the grill because it was faded a little bit. I put the windshield on it.
And what about this black? Was it all black color?
No, it was camo.
Oh, it's
And now it's wrapped in dark, matte, demon metallic.
okay.
And then I built the...
Wow, I thought you put these tires on.
No, they were on from the factory.
Nice.
I want to go bigger, but... And then it's got infinite off-road rock light kit on it.
Ooh, purdy.
So
That's so we could see it when I'm pulling you out. You could turn that on in the mud. Or when you're pulling me out. Yeah, that could happen.
And then what else?
What about your bed thing you were telling me about?
I built this tonneau cover. It's on a remote with a polarity switch. It's under the seat. And then there's a 24-inch electric ram. And it runs off this remote. It's 48 inches extended. So I had to do some measuring and some crafting to get it like I wanted it. It'll stand up 90 degrees and lock itself back against the rotator.
Wow.
There's a little bit of math I had to go over there now. I'm not really good at math, but I thought I'd tell you that after I built your house.
Yeah. Nice.
So yeah, it'll lock up.
So how does it lock up?
Just like that, it puts force on the ram and holds it up against the cage. See?
Oh, I see. We'll see how that holds up to rough riding, but that's pretty slick.
Well, I wouldn't ride around with it like that. I wouldn't trust it.
Oh, true. I suppose, yeah, you have it all the way down, then it wouldn't be a
But I mean, if
problem.
you've got it parked outside, you got a fire or something, you want to sit back here.
Yeah.
And that's not in your way.
Yeah. Nice.
But that cover weighs like 9 pounds.
What is it, 1/4 inch or
It's 8 inch steel.
1/8 inch?
I think that's about it. Oh, I did the exhaust.
What do you mean you did the exhaust? What did you do?
It's got custom exhaust.
Oh, man. Let me guess, it's louder now, like a straight pipe.
No, it's not like a straight pipe, but it does sound good. I mean, it sounds like it's running. It sounded like a bumblebee before. So the exhaust is a
I could swear you told me you put bigger tires on, but I'm impressed, man. This must be their, so this is their mega off-road kit.
Yeah. And I'm actually, in the near future, I'm going to pull those rims and tires off. And I'm going to sell those rims and tires. And I'm going to have the fabricating shop, Iron Knight. I'm going to have Iron Knight Welding build me 4-inch drop brackets, because you can pitch these axles a lot more than they are, and I can get another 4 inches of lift on it, and then I can get like a 35-inch tire under it.
Why do you need 4 more inches of lift on this?
Because once you go to this point, I mean, why not?
That sounds like me almost, but
I mean, I've got 22 inches at the pan now.
wow.
From the ground to the bottom of the pan, it's 22 inches. From the ground to the bottom of the A-arm is like 15 or 16 inches. But
Does that have the dump bed?
yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. And then, but I mean, I just want, it's going to be like one of the lows. It's going to be one of the lifted slow deals.
See, now if my Intimidator looked like that, I might have kept it. You never know.
I like it. I mean, it's geared low enough. It's got plenty of power. I had it at 55, 60 mile an hour out here.
Wow.
I mean, it's still got, it's plenty fast for what I want to do with it.
Yeah, you don't want to be flying around in that thing.
But it rides pretty good. Those tires actually don't, most of the tires that bounce and wobble, those don't do too bad.
Wow.
Okay, so you got a 1000 XP 1000 North Star.
Yep.